my family, we're regulars at this clinic. Of course, except my youngest one, who's still 2. He's just a baby. It's like the dentist's office, except it's, well, better. Yeah, it's a place where they make you feel better, make you feel comfortable, like at ease. It's just a great place. I didn't talk about it before. I was very sensitive about my teeth before I had the work done. Now, it's definitely a lot easier, you know, and I feel better talking about it, and I smile thinking how I was worried before. But everything was so easy thanks to the doctors and the new technologies. And now I can say I'm not ashamed anymore, and I can smile whenever I want to. And finally live a full life. A friend of mine is a doctor. And you know, she's afraid. She's scared of all these procedures, you know, but she needs to get surgery and she needs an implant, but she's scared. Then she saw my implant and the expression on my expression, and she came up to me and she said, "You look so much better, you know. I think I make up my mind and do it too."
The patient had a problem related to missing teeth. The patient underwent computer tomography to assess the possibility of rehabilitation with the implants. But after the computer tomography, we decided to insert the implants after a sinus lift to obtain and create some space for them. The patient was very worried, but she went for it basically because she needed to get her teeth fixed. The patient is rather young, and so she turned down the option to insert removable dentures. The patient underwent the sinus lift, and we installed the implants. The process of rehabilitation of the patient's upper jaw in this situation, it took about 4 to 5 months. And then subsequently, the healing abutment was installed, and then we proceeded to put on the prosthetics. During the the rehabilitation process, post-surgery, the patient got injured, and that was due to the fact that her tooth was overloaded and sustained a vertical root fracture on one side. That was because she ate only on the opposite side, and we replaced it with a one-stage implant. This particular choice led to great results, and the bone processed the load more evenly, and the patient achieved the best results. Going to the dentist can be something scary for many people, but new implants solve problems with less pain, like B&B implants. Always remember to put your dental health first.
I know that lots of people have many similar problems. They do nothing, sometimes for years. They're probably too scared. They may believe it's scary to go to the doctor, that it's too painful, or any other reason. But honestly, my experience was not like that at all, I can assure you. I was treated by great professionals, by doctors, who used the best technologies, the best implants, and I don't regret this decision. I'm very satisfied with the final result, and I really thank the doctors and their expertise.